You look so pretty.
What are you doing? Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Pots, Pans, and Priscilla. Today we are going to go on a little field trip and get our ingredients, and I also have some special guests with me.
Hey guys!
We have Summer and Delaney visiting. So today they wanted to be on with us, and I'm so excited to have them. We are gonna make chicken piccata over angel hair pasta, a salad, and some garlic bread. All right, let's go get our ingredients. Our ingredients for this meal are going to be our chicken breast, the eggs for our egg wash, our lemons for the sauce, our seasonings, which are Italian, basil, parsley, kosher salt, pepper, panko breadcrumbs, butter, angel hair pasta, cream, some capers, Parmesan cheese, and olive oil. This is going to be the boys' favorite. Our romaine lettuce, cucumber, 3 colors of bell pepper, and 4 colors of bell pepper because I can't count. Some tomato, red onion, croutons, and then feta cheese. We're also going to throw in a loaf of garlic bread, and this will be something that you guys can make for your volleyball team at home. So I think it will be easy enough for everybody to make. And it's a lot of food, and it'll feed a lot of people. So that's really good. So to start this, we're going to take our chicken breast. You're going to take a cutting board, put some saran wrap on the bottom, then put another piece over the top of the chicken, and then you get to take out all your frustrations. So if like you broke up with your boyfriend, if you had a rough time at school that day, maybe you had a rough practice, whatever it is, you can take out your frustrations with your chicken.
Okay.
Okay? So you're gonna put another piece over top of yours.
Okay.
And then, yep, because you want to make this flat.
Here you go.
So you can start, Summer.
Okay. Which side do I use?
The flat side.
Okay. Like hard?
Yep. Feels good, huh?
Yeah. I'm not really frustrated about anything.
You're gonna make it as flat as you can.
Okay.
Don't be scared.
I feel like I'm gonna punch a hole through the wall, like
You're
Hulk or
okay.
something.
Well, sometimes people do this to tenderize. There you go.
I'm getting sore.
It's your workout. Tell your coach you worked out this weekend. Okay, I think that's good.
Cool. Here you go, Delaney.
Yep. This is when Justin makes you mad. You take this out and then, yep. I made you dinner tonight, Justin. All right. We have to do all of them, yes. So, we'll do that, and then we will put it in our egg mixture and panko breadcrumbs. If you want to just put the chicken on here, it's fine. Yeah. Of course, you don't want to touch anything else, so.
Put your hand up like this.
That's right. That's right. Look at you. You've just been watching.
Oh, yours is
Mine's
runaway
slippery. Mine's a slippery little sucker.
Saran wrap.
Slippery little suckers.
I'm still too scared to hit it really hard.
Don't be scared.
Poor chicken.
The chicken doesn't care. Now you have all your frustrations out. Your chicken it looks good. It's flat, and that's what we're looking for. Now we are putting our panko breadcrumbs on this plate. Just do about half because you can refill it. So you don't want to use it all at one time. Then you will crack open 2 of your eggs into your glass baking dish. One of you can go ahead and whisk the eggs here, and I will get our pan going. We're going to turn that on 5 and put the olive oil in. Okay, so you're putting it in the egg wash. And these are big, so we'll probably be able to cut these in half after we
Okay, you ready?
There you go. After we cook them. Now, Summer, you're the panko girl. Good job, ladies. It doesn't have to be a real thick breading. Man, I need a bunch of college girls to come live with me. I just give direction and
We do it.
I feel weird just standing here. And just so you know, one thing about this meal, a lot of it is disinfecting the countertop and washing your hands in between segments because you don't want to get salmonella poisoning. So anytime you're working with chicken, make sure you're cleaning after yourself. Before we start cooking our chicken, we're going to go ahead and cut these lemons, squeeze those into here, and that way once the chicken's done, we already have that ready to go into make our sauce.
Okay,
So,
cool. So we
you just cut them in half and then,
use the bigger part of it.
yep. Use what?
The bigger part
Oh
of it.
yeah, I thought you meant the lemon. I'm like, it's gonna be cut in half. It's not gonna be a bigger part.
Okay,
So yeah.
cool.
So do you want to?
Yeah, Lane,
How do you wanna do it?
You want me to cut and you squeeze?
Sure.
Cool.
Okay.
Sounds good.
And someone the other day said if we cut off the end or something that we would get more
Like
lemon.
this?
Yeah, I'm not
Should
sure.
we try?
Try it.
Okay.
Oh.
Wow, look at that.
I know, isn't that cool? Okay.
So that can
You
just
can
go
just,
now.
yeah,
I got a
that works.
seed.
You have a garbage disposal? You
Oh,
can put
yeah.
these in your garbage
My
disposal.
mom does that.
Yep. Yep. It smells so good. Okay, so now you're just going to cook that chicken. We'll get a few pieces going in here at one time. Funny story, we were supposed to go grocery shopping today, but we decided to go have some fun in Fernandina, so we got our groceries shipped. And both of these girls work for Shipt when they're at college, so they know how to do it. So it was fun to have it on the other end, right?
Way more fun.
So as you guys know, this has probably been one of the quickest and easiest meals that we've done on here. And I just wanted to do something the girls could take back with them and really feed a lot of people. And then, you know, they're busy. They go to class during the day and they have volleyball practice. So they don't have time to go cooking all this craziness. So hopefully some of you guys can do this meal because it doesn't take very long at all. And it is easy. So I hope you guys enjoy this. And I'm sure a lot of you know this trick, but in case you don't, if you ever have lemons or limes and you cut them and then squeeze the juice, they're awesome to be put in the garbage disposal. But make sure you let that garbage disposal run because if it just cuts them up a little bit, they will sit in there and rot. So you want to make sure you get it all gone. As most of you might already know, my family does not like my salad. So ladies, I am leaving this up to you. Maybe they will eat your salad instead. So you got it?
Yeah.
Okay.
I think so.
Everything's already been rinsed off.
Yeah.
So just cut and make it pretty.
Okay.
Easy enough.
Alright.
So you don't need the butt part of it 'cause that's gnarly. So we're gonna cut that all off.
Gnarly.
Okay, so we're gonna keep cutting all these butts off.
This one.
Is that what they're called?
Butts? Sure. Romaine butts. Because this is romaine lettuce you're using.
Yes.
Okay.
And then just gonna chop it up. You can't laugh at me, Scylla. No more
Now, do you
cold.
guys have a fresh market like we went to yesterday by school?
I think so. We haven't gone though.
Yeah, we haven't
So you
been.
guys could maybe go and then
Yeah.
we want you guys to make a video and send it to us.
That'd be so fun. Oh my gosh.
It was super cheap, right?
Yeah, I liked
Yeah.
it. It was cool.
And it
Good
was fun.
bargainer.
We bartered. That was fun.
Bargained.
Yeah.
Scylla was really good at it. She just picked two up and the guy looked at her and she goes, 50 cents. He's like, okay. Gotta explain.
Okay, I'm gonna cut the ends off
Yeah.
and just chop away.
There you go.
You can fast forward this so it looks like I'm really fast. My mom taught me to curl my fingers in.
Oh, that's good.
You don't
So you
cut
don't
off
cut
your
'em-
fingers.
yep.
Good tip, I guess.
Those look great.
I have to say, I think it's so cool that you guys would rather be here this weekend doing this than like hanging out with your college friends. You're like, let me go to the Mosses and hang out.
Of course.
I'm gonna check the chicken while you guys are doing
Okay.
this.
Okay.
Okay, so now we're gonna cut the bell pepper. So you're gonna cut the top off. Ooh.
You gotta
And
take
then-
the insides out.
Yeah.
Then I go long ways.
Okay.
For the tomato, only leave like a little section that you don't put any in because
Okay.
Asa and Isaiah don't like tomato.
Okay. What losers?
I know.
Okay. How
You're
do
so
I cut?
picky. That's a pretty salad,
It
guys.
does. It looks good.
You just have to put the cheese and the croutons.
Just like this.
Yeah. Beautiful.
Wow, this looks good.
And then the last thing we're gonna put on them are
Just garlic and butter flavored croutons.
That smells
What do you
good.
think?
It looks beautiful.
it's getting a little crazy over here. It is. What time is it, guys?
It's 8:30.
It's 8:30 and we have not eaten yet. We had some fun today, so you know, I'm sorry we're eating late, but our other guests have arrived, and we have what, 7, 8, 9 people eating tonight. 8 people.
I think, yeah.
8 people eating. And these chicken breasts are so big that I could only fit 4 in a pan. So that's why now I have 2 more pans going, plus the pasta. And then I'm gonna just make the sauce in this pan. I wanted to use all the drippings from all the chicken, but I'm just gonna use what I have here, and we're gonna make the sauce. So this is where, if you want to use a recipe, then by all means do that. I'm using ingredients from recipes, but I don't have exact measurements. So the girls cut up 7 lemons and squeezed them. So that is our lemon juice that we're getting ready to pour in here. Okay, now you're gonna pour in chicken broth, and I don't know how much, just watch, okay? Watch close. Like count. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can always add more if you feel like you need more. I don't know. Half of a tablespoon of garlic, whatever this stuff's called. Your capers, they're gonna go in here. Just 1, 2. 2 tablespoons. You know, and you figure we're cooking 9 pieces of chicken, and it's huge. So you want a lot of sauce because that's what makes this dish really good. Now you can add some pepper. Salt. Basil. Thank you. Cream. Your heavy cream. So this is an 8-ounce box of cream, and I didn't even use half of it. But you want it to thicken up a little bit. Italian seasoning. And parsley. Okay. So you're just letting this cook together, mingle all those flavors. We're gonna turn that up a little bit and let all those flavors get together, and while we check our chicken. Our chicken is looking awesome. It smells really good. I just tasted our sauce here. I'm gonna add cornstarch. So when you add cornstarch, that helps thicken your gravy, which is our sauce. You do need to add water to it, cold water, and then you gradually add it into your hot. Oh, I'm dumping it everywhere. We're professionals. It's like in between my toes right now. Florida problems. Wearing flip-flops in the kitchen. And then I am going to add a little more heavy cream to this, just because it's really lemony. So we're probably at a half a carton right now. That's why I don't like to do measurements though, because it's, you know, you don't want it to taste like that, then you don't have to follow a recipe exactly. But see how this is already, yeah.
That's pretty cool.
Yep. Learned something new. Okay, so we're finished. You guys did awesome. I'm so proud of you.
Thanks.
We are gonna get it plated up and have everyone sit down and eat. So thank you guys so much for joining us again. I'm so glad that you girls were like willing to do this. Like they wanted to do this. I didn't even have to coax them into it.
Thanks for having us.
Of course, anytime. I can't wait. They're gonna send me a video of something they cook, and we might share that with you guys. Make sure you subscribe to our channel. Subscribe, hit that like button, and then hit that bell icon, and you will be notified every time we upload a video. So thank you guys so much. I hope you enjoy this meal and have a great night. Bye.
Bye.
All right, what do you think? You'll like it? You like
Very
it?
good.
Yes, I love it.
Do you really?
This is awesome.
Yes.
Excellent. Excellent.
Good. I'm glad y'all enjoyed it. You got a chunky one, huh?
She's chunky.
It's got a little junk in the trunk.
I knew you were gonna say that. I was waiting for you to say that.
Summer knows me.
Hey guys.
Good?
Yeah, don't look at me.